Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. And the share to click like to share buddy. Hunan chicken. Ingredients: 3 tablespoon canola oil, divided. 4 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into 1 pieces. 1 piece ginger, minced. 1 large head broccoli, cut into small florets. 1 red bell pepper, chopped. 4-6 dry chilies. 2 tablespoons sherry. 1/4 low sodium soy sauce. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. 2 teaspoons Sambal Olek. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Rice, for serving. Directions: 1. In a large skillet over medium heat, heat 2 tablespoons canola oil. Add chicken and fry until cooked through 7 minutes, then remove from pan. 2. Heat remaining canola oil in same pan. Add ginger and cook until fragrant 1 minute, then add broccoli, bell pepper, and red chilies. Cook until vegetables are tender 5 minutes. 3. In a small bowl, combine sherry, soy sauce, cornstarch, sambal olek, and sesame oil. Add to pan and simmer until sauce thickens 3 minutes. Add chicken back to pan and toss to coat. Serve over rice. If you like our channel, please share with your friends and press the subscribe and like button. And let us know if you like this recipe. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.